everyone, this is your boss mom VA and I create videos about work from home tips, freelancing lifestyle, and make money online tips. So, if you're interested with this topic, just keep on watching! So, you're a newbie virtual assistant and naghahanap ka o nagtatanong ka sa sarili mo, ano nga ba yung service na pwede mong i-offer sa clients as a beginner or newbie virtual assistant? Well, I would suggest you can try to do some basic admin tasks or administrative support because this task naman is kayang-kaya mo siyang gawin, kayang-kaya mo siyang aralin, even if wala kang experience as a virtual assistant or hindi ka ganun ka-expert. So, basic admin tasks pwede mong i-offer because maraming ngayong mga clients or business owners ang naghahanap ng VA to handle basic tasks for them in the administrative support side. So, if ready at interesado ka nang malaman kung ano-ano nga ba itong mga basic admin tasks, then let's begin. So, let's begin with the first basic admin support task, which is email management. So, email management is basically you are managing the emails of your clients. So, the task includes sending emails, replying to the emails of your clients, unsubscribing to unwanted subscriptions, deleting of emails, archiving emails, what else? Labeling the emails according to their urgency. For example, you're tagging the emails as urgent to follow up, and also booking on the calendar based on the emails. And a lot of things that you can do now to manage the emails of your clients. So, this specific task naman, for sure ako na meron ka namang sarili mong email like you have your own Gmail, right? And you are replying to it. Sometimes you do archiving, deleting of emails. This basic task is also, you can apply that to offer to your clients. So, basic things lang to. Hindi mo kailangan maging expert, no? O hindi mo rin kailangan maging experience ka sa VA because this task naman is kaya-kaya mo i-offer sa client kahit wala kang experience because madali namang aralin and kumbaga is nakalatag naman na yung pagmamanage ng emails. So, these are just basic tasks and if you wanna learn to improve more, I'll be showing you the actual or the things or the tips and tricks that you can do to manage the emails of your clients on our next slide. So here is an example of how you can manage the email of your client. So, kunyari the email is Gmail of your client. And some of the things that you can do to manage the inbox or the email of your client is, of course, first, is you will reply to the emails. Kunyari, my emails na important and you can just simply reply to the emails. You can do templates here. You can save the templates if repetitive yung emails and you don't want to type in literally. So, you can do is go to settings if you're using Gmail app. So, go to settings to save the emails and go to advanced and you just click on here templates and you just click on enable and then save it and then you can do a compose and kunyari ito yung repetitive email hi, thanks for the support, blah blah blah. So anything, kunyari lang to. So regards, yun din yung name ng client mo, for example, ganyan. And you wanted to save that because it's repetitive email and you want templates for that para hindi ka na mag-type every time na merong same emails or same inquiry. So, just go to the 3 dots here and just click on templates and then save draft and then save as new template. For example, email reply, new client. So, ini-name mo siya. So that every time na may new email, kunyari may pumasok sa inbox and you need to reply to it, you need to reply to it, you just click on the templates na sinave mo and then just send it. So yan yung isa sa mas mabilis, you just need to save the templates. And then for the unwanted emails na alam mo hindi kailangan ni client and yung client mo naman magsasabi sa'yo na please delete emails that is not on my subscription. For example, this one, sabi niya hindi siya nag-subscribe dyan and she doesn't want, or your client doesn't want to receive more emails from this You can just go to the email itself and just hanapin mo yung unsubscribe and then just click unsubscribe so that hindi na babalik yung emails na yun or hindi na lagi silang mag-send ng promotional emails. And then, of course, kung mas na deletion naman is that you can just click on or tick the box here on the left side and just click on archive if you don't want to delete it forever. Naka-archive lang siya. Or delete naman if you wanted or the client wanted to be deleted forever. So, pwedeng archive, pwede ring delete. And then, you can put a star mark. Kunyari, important yung email na yon and gusto mong hanapin siya ng mabilisan. So, you can just click on the star here. Kunyari, it's this one, this one, this one. So, naka-star siya, ibig sabihin, important siya na emails. So that pag tinignan ng client, i-click lang niya tong star here sa gilid and then lalabas na doon yung mga emails na important which is naka-star. Or you can simply put labels. For example, this one, you can put, pwede mo siyang i-label, no? Just click on the label and then you can create new, for example, urgent emails and then create. So, yan. So, nakapag-create ka na ng urgent emails na pag clinic ka ng client mo here sa gilid, urgent emails is lalabas lang yung mga emails na urgent. So, yep. So, that's it. It's very basic lang. All you need to do is to manage the emails of your client. Nakita nyo naman, napaka-simple lang ng task and you don't need to be an expert, no? Kayang-kaya mo siyang gawin for sure. And pwede mo na itong i-offer sa client to. Managing their emails. Okay, next basic admin task is data entry. So, data entry is simply doing encoding, typing, copy-pasting, doing screenshots, putting a text into a file, sharing of files, using Google Drive, and stuff like that. So, these things are just basic, no? Basic tasks. And you don't need to be an expert. Once again, kayang-kaya mo siyang gawin, even if you are a newbie virtual assistant. Okay, so an example of data entry, for example, you have the access to the Google Drive of your client, or this is your own Google Drive, and you wanted to make data entry or files for your client, and you're going to be sharing it. For example, sabi ng client mo is that, can you make me an itinerary for my trip to New York, like for example. Just click on this one, nasa Google, Google account mo, and then just click on Drive. So, yung Google Drive is basically para siyang online na drive, no? Na pwede mong i-share yung mismong file sa client. Kunyari, gagamit tayo ng Google Docs. So, yung Google Docs is like a Microsoft Office Word, but this is an online version for easy sharing of files. Then, itong Google Sheets is like Excel, no? Microsoft Excel. It's an online version. So, you're gonna make a Google Docs. And then, you will put the itinerary here of your client. This is just an example task. It doesn't mean na ito na rin yung gagawin mo. So, depende pa rin sa client kung anong klase ng files or data entry yung ipapagawa niya sa'yo. For this one, kunyari, gagawa tayo ng itinerary ng client mo sa kanyang trip to New York. For example, yan, yung dates, destination, morning, anong gagawin niya, ano yung schedule niya, afternoon, evening, day 2, ayan, yung gagawin niya. So, this is just a basic itinerary for your client. Next naman is, kunyari naman yung client mo is nagpapagawa ng leads and you're gonna use spreadsheet for that. Just click on new again and then click on Google Sheets. And here, kunyari, sabi ng client mo is that, make me a lead tracking spreadsheets where you will need to put the contact person of the restaurant name, phone number, blah, 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 etc. So, it's just a simple Excel or spreadsheet, no? Lalagyan ko lang siya ng title here, and then yung nakuha mong mga leads here, ilalagay mo yung information. So, these are just basic tasks na you can do to your client. As you can see, hindi mo naman kailangan maging expert dito. But if you need to be more precise or more knowledge about using Google Drive and Excel and Google Docs, you can easily learn that online. No? So how to do Google Drive, how to use Google Sheets, yung mga ganun, kung kailangan mo pa ng knowledge. But this one is just basic, and you don't need to be an expert, and you can easily assist your clients doing this basic task for him. Next naman, na basic admin task is doing research. So basically, you are just searching information online, and then you will provide the data to your clients. Sometimes you can just use the search engine like Google, or meron namang ding ipapagamit sa'yo na tool si client to do the research for him. So it's just basic, and you don't need to be an expert to offer this service to client. Here, I'm going to show you a basic research task that I do for my client using Google Maps. So, for example, sabi ng client mo, can you provide me leads? Restaurant owners in New York City. You can go search on New York. Go to Google Maps first. So, google.com/maps. And then New York. You can do new restaurants. Type in the search bar, restaurant New York. So, ayan. So, here, makikita na yung mga iba't ibang restaurant within New York. And dito siya nakalagay sa gilid. And all you need to do is to click on that information. And then, makikita mo yung kanilang website. And you just simply go to the website and get any information that is needed. For example, the phone number, the address, and put it into an Excel or a spreadsheet, the Google Sheets, and just put it here kung ano yung instruction na sinabi sa'yo ng client. So, it's basically just doing basic research. For example naman is, sabi niya is mga car dealerships in California. Okay, type in mo lang yung California car dealership, and dito sa maps, makikita sa maps yung itong mga may red na yan. Sabihin niya yung mga car dealerships within California, and you just click the information here, hanapin mo yung website, and then get the information that is needed, like the phone number, email address, the contact person, and put it into a file. So, yan lang yung basic na pwede kong ma-share sa inyo. So, as you can see, madali lang naman siyang gawin. For sure, meron namang instruction na ibibigay sa iyo yung client. So, hindi mo naman yan basta-basta gagawin ng walang instruction. So, may instructions muna yung client. Kung meron naman siyang ipapagamit sa iyo na tool, hindi lang yung Google Maps or yung Google, meron din kasi mga clients na meron silang sariling CRM or system. And all you need to do is to follow their instructions there.
Your friend, you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why